Now that we already downloaded Scroll1 or ScrollOut F1 anti-spam, so we need to create the VM for it for our anti-spam. So based on our network layout, so the static IP is 172.16.0.10. So let's follow that. So machine new anti-spam. So scroll out is based on Debian. So need to select Debian. So Debian is the main distro, which many distro are based, like Ubuntu, Manjaro, and Linux Mint are all based on Debian. So I'll keep that 4 gig. And then for testing purposes, I'll just give it 20 gig. But for the production, you need to put at least 80 gig for that, for the logs, data of the logs. Then let's edit the settings. On the network, should be internal network because we're doing the NAT on our pfSense. Then on the storage, we need to select the ISO that we downloaded. ScrollOut F1 ISO. Okay. And we're done. Let's start. So we'll do the graphical install. So English, select the default location that you are in. So on our installation, it will be doing this error, the HCP protocol failed, because we are not implementing the HCP on pfSense. So we need to continue and set up the static IP address. Select configure network manually. Then on our layout, the IP address is .10, 172.16.0.10/24, that's right. And the gateway is the pfSense also, 172.16.0.1. And the DNS, we'll do a public DNS first. Root password. So, as I told you, you should implement alphanumeric password and 16 character your server. For the user, I'll just use Mike C. That's for the regular user, sudo user. So we'll set up the time later with the correct time on our web UI. Just select the default one, the moment. So we'll use entire disk for this installation, all the 20 gig that we put on the VM. So write the changes to this. Yes. So if you wish to scan another CD, or please insert it now. So no, because we'll be not using any CD for this installation. All the other packages will be downloaded from the repository of Debian. continue. So for our mirror, for our repository, we'll choose Singapore, which is or Philippines, and the two pass link that we had is rise.ph and pregi.net, so I'll just choose the rise.ph. So I don't need proxy to access the internet, so just click continue because I'm directly connected to pfSense. Then it will download the required packages that it needed, that the anti-spam needed. So we need to continue, select the hard drive, and continue for the bootloader.